Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I show you, I get a new Wii model that called the Wii V2. So got this for $30. Here it is. And there's the cable stuff. And I want to set up with you guys. First we put the Wii here. Then we put the cable, plug it in. Then we have to plug it into the console. Where is the port? There. Oh, now you can see the light. Then I need the TV cable. So I have actually a HDMI TV. You can see it. And I have this here for AV port to an HDMI TV. So you have to put these three colors inside. So the HDMI port, it's already inside. So then you have put this thing here inside. And the Wii U and the Wii using the same sensor bar also, guys. So I don't know if you know it. So I have to put it inside of here. And it's actually true. I tested before the video. So let's turn the console on. Move this cable away. And now I need the TV remote to turn on my TV. So this is a DYON TV. And moment of the truth. Are you kidding me? Why isn't this working? Wait a minute, guys. I think I need a cable also. Ah, there it is. For the power I need it. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing for myself. I'm really sorry, guys. And I need my USB-C adapter. Good job, Nintendo. Now it's working, guys. Can you see it? And oh my god, there's some games on it. Let's see. Oh, I need my Wii remote to connect it. And it's connected. Let's see what we got there. With a plus channel there also. There's also YouTube, Netflix. Oh my god. The Me channel, the Internet channel, the Luck channel, and also things here. The News channel and everything here. Well, let's test the disc try. Let's put a random game I can test in it. I know. How about my favorite game? Wii Play Motion. Perfect for me, Wii Motion Plus. Let's give it inside. Moment of the truth. Come on. There it is. So, I think that's now the video, guys. And so thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.